Then the next question is about vomiting. Will vomiting nullify the fast or not? So the answer to this is vomiting will only invalidate the fast in two scenarios. Number one is when the vomit occurs by itself, it's natural, it's not induced, and it is more than a mouthful, and the person swallows that vomit despite having the ability to spit it out. So that's scenario number one. When the vomit was natural, it was more than a mouthful, and then that vomit was swallowed despite having the ability to spit it out. That's scenario number one. And number two, the second case where vomiting breaks the fast is when a person instigates the vomit, he induces vomit, and it is more than a mouthful. In this case, the fast will break, it will be nullified, regardless of whether the vomit exits the mouth, it is swallowed accidentally or swallowed on purpose. The fast will break if it is induced and it is simply more than a mouthful. And what does a mouthful mean? The definition of mouthful is that one's mouth cannot withhold the vomit without straying. That is a mouthful. And number two, if a person vomited less than a mouthful many times in one place, and if they were added together, it would equal to a mouthful, then the fast would be broken in that situation where a mouthful invalidated the fast. So if you vomited a little, a few times, and all together it would be equivalent to a mouthful, and that will also invalidate